You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. For more confusing names pronounced and more pronunciation, make sure to stay tuned. I've got tons more for you at the end of the video. The English pronunciation, and it's of Anglo-Irish origin, is Vanessa, alright? So in Spanish it'd be Vanessa, or in Italian Vanessa. But in English it's generally V with a schwa sound, ne, sa, Vanessa. Some may pronounce it a bit more as Vanessa, but generally Vanessa. How do you pronounce it yourself? Vanessa or Vanessa? Or do you stress any other syllables? Where are you from as well? Let us know, so we all learn from you how you specifically want to pronounce it. Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.